Hey, how are you doing? Good? That's fantastic. My name is Profe Kyle, if you don't already know. And if you don't already know, I'm your favorite English teacher. Today, I want to talk about my daily routine. You're going to hear the days of the week in English. You're going to hear me talk about time in English. You also hear me use the present simple in English a lot. Are you ready? Then let's get started. Right now, I'm in Canada. My weekly routine changes depending on where I am living. But since I'm in Canada, let me describe my weekly routine here. Every day I wake up at 7:30 in the morning. I don't set my alarm clock because my body naturally wakes up at that time. When I was in Colombia, I woke up at 6:30 in the morning every day because that is when the sun came up. When I was in Argentina, I woke up at 8:30 in the morning because I taught classes until late and didn't go to sleep till 12:30 at night. I work for myself, so I don't need to go to an office since I work from home. After I wake up, I like to check the news on the internet. I don't read the typical Canadian or American news sources like CNN, Fox, CTV, or CBC. I don't trust them. I usually get my news from Twitter or independent journalists. Do you do the same thing in the morning? Maybe you shower and get dressed every morning. I don't have to. I'm in Canada right now on my family farm. I don't need to shower or get dressed as soon as I wake up since I don't need to impress anybody. The animals on the farm don't care if I'm stinky or disheveled in the morning. I'm not living in a city right now. If I were in Bogota, Guadalajara, Buenos Aires, or Rio de Janeiro, I would shower in the morning because I would need to go out onto the street. People would see me. I would need to look presentable. But when I'm on the family farm, there's nobody to impress when I'm outside. There are only horses, goats, donkeys, cats, and pigs. I have to feed those animals, every morning. I go out between 8:30 and 9 in the morning to feed them. It's also very cold right now, so I hate getting undressed to shower. That's why I don't shower until the afternoon before my English classes or after I go to the gym. Currently, I go to the gym on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. 3 days a week. I would like to go more, but it's difficult because I have a lot of work to do and the gym is in town. I have to drive 15 minutes to get to the gym. When I'm in Latin America, I usually live close to a gym so I can just walk to the gym quickly in my gym clothes. Because of that, I go to the gym 4 to 5 times a week when I'm in Latin America. I prefer to go to the gym in the afternoon between 1 and 3 p.m. I don't like to go to the gym in the morning because my most productive work hours are in the morning. I'm in the zone to work between 8 a.m. and 1 p.m. I don't want to disrupt my productivity by going to the gym. Right now, I don't have breakfast in the morning. I prefer to have one big super breakfast, lunch, like a giant brunch. I usually eat this at about noon, so 12 p.m. After I eat my giant brunch, I either go to the gym, if it's Tuesday, Thursday, or Saturday. If it's Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Sunday, I will continue working until I teach classes in the evening. I teach English group classes to Latinos from Monday to Thursday. Visit profekyle.com for more information. On Mondays and Wednesdays, I teach from 4:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m., so 3 hours. On Tuesdays and Thursdays, I teach from 6 to 7:30 p.m. After I finish teaching, I will eat supper and relax. Usually, I'll try to study Portuguese and Russian after supper and before I go to bed. I usually go to bed between 10:30 and 11 p.m. at night. This schedule is the same almost every day. The only day where my schedule changes is on Saturday because my sister, her husband, and my baby nephew like to come over and visit us. My brother-in-law is a good cook and he cooks for us on Saturdays while my father, my sister, and I play with my nephew. As for the work I do during the day, I like to plan my lessons for the week on Mondays and Tuesdays. On Wednesdays, I like to work on video ideas for YouTube or on ways to improve my website. On Thursdays, I like to shoot videos for YouTube and edit them. On Fridays, I like to upload a YouTube video and work on the website or future self-learning courses. On Saturdays and Sundays, I like to work on future self-learning courses and marketing ideas. On Sundays, I also like to shoot Instagram videos for the upcoming week. And that is my week right now. Of course, when I'm traveling in Latin America, my schedule changes. What about your weekly schedule? Give me a short description of it below in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell icon to get notifications when I upload future videos like this. I'll see you in the next video, my dear student. Bye.